Here we have a 2015 BMW 330d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a couple though, we do have the M Sport Plus package and also the Media package. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front kidney grills and also the front splitter as well. We have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we come around to the passenger side you can see we have the side skirts along the bottom. We also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top and also the gloss black rear spoiler. With the black exterior paintwork, front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, and we also have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust. Now coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now, coming into the back first, you can see we have the full leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well back here. Electric windows on the doors, same leather interior at the front with both front seats are being heated. Got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, got the automatic lights down here. Let's take a seat inside, you'll find the multifunctional steering wheel, got paddle shifters either side, automatic wipers here on this stalk. Got the dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake and press the start button, then the vehicle starts up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. If that's flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, nothing to worry about. So we do have the sat nav, we also have the radio stations where you find the FM, DAB and AM stations. We then have the media options with the CD player, music collection. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. If you go onto main menu, you can see all these different features as well. Now moving further down, you'll also find the dual zone climate control, got the ice-cold air conditioning and heated seats either side, got the cup holders inside of there, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So press onto this button, you'll find Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also the Sport Plus drive mode. And if you put the car into reverse, you'll find the front and rear parking sensors will appear on the screen just there. Put it back into park by pressing P. You then have the manual handbrake and the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm showing guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.